Hi, welcome back to Motech Performance. I'm Mike, behind the camera is Jay, and in front of me is the UK's first F70 Maxton kit sent direct from Maxton in Poland. So behind me we have an F70 M135 finished in stunning black. This is really good because the whole kit is actually in black. What's going to look great about that is the Maxton is also finished in gloss black and the wheels are going to be black as well, so it'll be a complete black pack car. We got approached a few weeks ago by Maxton direct from Poland, reaching out saying, hey, we've seen you got some F70, we've seen you done some content, can we supply you one of the first F70 kits that we've produced, ready to go to make some content? Sure, no problem at all. But the problem is with that is actually fitting to our own car, we can't actually do. We're running the M Performance kit on that one and the front does need to be bonded on to get it to fit absolutely perfect. So we reached out to a couple of customers we knew were getting cars, and Mark came across and said, yes, please, I would love to take you up on that, but while I'm there, can I also add to the build? So he's gone for MW1s in gloss black, Eibach Springs, which will give you about a 25mm drop all the way round, 50th anniversary badges, M Performance style tailpipes, and a few other bits going along, arch guards and some more detailed badges and things like that. Now, with the F70, like I sort of said in the previous video, we're starting to see them come through. Still a bit of hate online for these, whether it looks a bit unlike any other BMW or it's 4-cylinder four-wheel drive. We can't change any of that, but I can guarantee you, when this is finished, when we get to B-roll later on, it will look completely different to what it does now. So done, complete, finished. What a good looking car this is now. Maxton were kindly enough to supply some of the parts, so we'll go for what they've done. They've actually sent us the V3 front splitter, which is a direct replacement, so nothing needs to come off, just it attaches from underneath, fits perfectly. And what's also nice, it has a nice bit of detail from the original bumper pulling down into their original, to their splitter to kind of give this sort of body look to the car. It looks like it's an added on part rather than just a stuck on part, which is obviously quite important. Side skirts just running across down the side of the car, nice little flick. The diffuser, that's quite interesting. The pictures I'd seen before always looked a bit similar to what was already on there. Obviously, from factory, the original ones have quite a nice diffuser, but as you can see, it's a lot more aggressive with some nice design details. And then obviously, of course, they sent through the winglets and the top spoiler just to complete the look. Now, being this car gloss black, along with the gloss black body kit, it does look very mean and changes the way the car looks. It changes the silhouette. We're a bit of a fan on that and how the car can just change its sort of movement on the road by how it looks. And obviously this thing looks a lot more aggressive. We've also changed the wing badges out for the Motech wing badges. We've also changed the black one on the back for the M135i, 50th anniversary badges, carbon fibre arch guards, Eibach Springs, a 30 front on this, 25 rear. So yeah, again, that perfect usable drop without being over the top, just really complements the wheels. Back to the wheels. This car had the 18-inch wheel to start with, and then of course this side we've changed it out for the gloss black MW1s. What a perfect looking car. Now, yeah, again, we've said a number of times, when we first saw the F40 coming in and we started to see them come through for conversions, people were a bit negative. But this is going to be a hard car to be negative about. This looks stunning. I'm excited to see the B-roll, so let us know down below your thoughts of this stunning black M135i.